Imagine a country so unique it only has about 20,000 people, making it the third least populated country globally. Welcome to Palau, a small island nation nestled in the vast Pacific Ocean. This tiny gem, though small in population, is a titan in terms of geographical features, boasting lush forests, pristine beaches, and vibrant coral reefs. Its size is a testament to the adage that good things come in small packages. But don't let its size fool you. Palau is brimming with remarkable features and surprises. Palau is a biodiversity hotspot with over 1,300 species of fish and 700 species of coral. This incredible variety paints a vibrant underwater landscape that is second to none. Each species, from the smallest neon goby to the largest manta ray, plays its part in this intricate marine ecosystem. And it's not just the fish and coral that make Palau special. Picture a marine lake filled with millions of golden jellyfish, a spectacle that can only be found in Palau's Jellyfish Lake. These jellyfish have evolved in isolation, losing their sting and becoming a sight to behold for divers and snorkelers. But why does this matter? Well, Palau's biodiversity is crucial to the health of our global ecosystem. It acts as a living laboratory for scientists studying climate change and marine biology. It's a beacon of resilience, showing us what a thriving, balanced ocean looks like. In Palau, every dive is a new discovery. In a world where sharks are under threat, Palau stepped up and declared itself the world's first shark sanctuary. This bold move showcased Palau's unwavering commitment to marine conservation. By declaring their waters a safe haven for sharks, they've set a global precedent, encouraging other nations to follow suit. The impact of this declaration has been profound. Shark populations, once dwindling, are now thriving within Palau's protected waters. Commercial shark fishing is strictly prohibited, ensuring these magnificent creatures can swim freely without the looming threat of capture. This brave stance has not only bolstered the survival of sharks, but has also led to a healthier, more balanced marine ecosystem. Palau is not just an island nation, it's a guardian of the ocean. Palau's rich history dates back thousands of years, and it's one of the few places where you can still experience an ancient matrilineal society. This unique cultural practice sees descent and inheritance pass through the female line, a testament to the significant role women play in Palauan society. This matriarchal principle is deeply ingrained in the fabric of local life, shaping social structures and family relationships. But the cultural richness doesn't stop there. Palau is also home to traditional meeting houses known as bai. These structures not only serve as communal spaces, but also reflect Palau's vibrant culture and exceptional artistry, with intricate carvings and colorful murals adorning their interiors. Indeed, Palau is a place where the past and present coexist beautifully.